Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am making Chicken Shashlik Kebab. Juicy spicy chicken pieces threaded with colorful vegetables. A perfect Ramadan Iftar special that looks beautiful and tastes amazing. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup chicken pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Mix well and keep aside for 30 minutes. Shashlik kebab is inspired by skewer style cooking. Marination makes chicken tender and flavorful. Add 1 egg, 1/4 cup corn flour. Mix well. Corn flour helps keep chicken juicy. Now add 1/4 cup onion, 1/4 cup capsicum and mix gently. Thread the chicken and vegetables onto a shashlik stick. Colorful vegetable makes it more delicious. Do not overcrowd skewers. Fry in medium heated oil and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat until golden and fully cooked. Fry on medium-low heat to cook evenly. Turn gently while frying. Chicken provides protein after fasting. Vegetables add fiber and nutrients. Serve hot with sauce. Homemade recipes use control oil. Balanced spices help digestion. Your chicken shashlik kebab is ready. Juicy, spicy and colorful. Perfect addition to your iftar table. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Foods for more Ramadan special recipes.